Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the site for a theme built around Elementor. Back up your site and database and confirm WordPress 6, 0 or higher plus PHP 7, 4 or above. Next, install Elementor and Elementor Pro if you have a license and activate them. Once done, select a lightweight theme that's designed for page builders and switch to it in Appearance themes. This prevents conflicts and gives Elementor full control of layout parts like headers and footers. You now integrate design with the theme using Elementor's theme builder. Create a header and footer, then single post and archive templates. Assign display conditions so they apply where you want. Use canvas or full-width templates for pages that need full control. Import pre-built templates or build sections manually. Make elements global for consistent reuse. Also, configure site settings, colors, fonts, breakpoints, so your theme's look and spacing remain uniform across devices and pages. You finish by testing and optimizing before launch. Check responsiveness, navigation menus, and forms on multiple devices, and adjust CSS in Elementor's custom CSS or theme customizer. Once done, flush all caches, regenerate Elementor CSS, and update permalinks. Make sure third-party plugins aren't causing conflicts by disabling them briefly. If something breaks, enable Elementor Safe Mode and revert to your backup. That isolates issues. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.